means you're in a hurry. It means you're in a big rush. Well, you must understand this. There are many aspects to this, but these terminologies come from another time. Love at first sight is what you're talking about, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Love at first sight was happening very commonly at one time when the opposite genders would not have seen each other on a daily basis. You only got to see the girl when she was… this is the English scene I'm talking about, when the girl got into the carriage with her parents and you just looking and she just looked at you like this, boom! Thunderbolt. Now she's walking with you, talking with you, studying with you. Now it'll take time. And it's good it takes time. More time it takes, the better it is. So, these kind of terminologies come from another time when there was no exposure between genders. The first girl you saw, boom! So, you may be drawn to a certain person, that is a different thing. But these things are essentially lack of exposure. If you have sufficient exposure, you will see, you will look at somebody carefully and you don't go boom like that. You'll take your time and it's good. It's good that you take your time to form proper, strong relationships that'll last. And see, you make a relationship in life because somewhere you think two is better than one, isn't it? Two may be better than one for you, but you may be a nuisance in the relationship. Yes. So, before you form any relationship of some gravity in your life, first thing is, just look at this one. Is this one good enough for everything in the world? Because youth is a time when you must build this one. Don't be in a rush to live. Don't be in a rush to live when you have to grow. In Tamil Nadu, in southern India, there is a certain wisdom among the farmers, mango farmers especially. If you plant a mango sapling, within 12–14 months when the season comes, it'll flower. But you will see farmer will go judiciously plucking off all the flowers, because if you allow it to fruit, it will come out with one or two fruits in the very first season. But if you do that, that particular tree will never grow to full size. So first 3 years, all flowers are taken off. Only when the tree has become strong enough, you allow it to come out with a fruit. So there is a time to grow and there is a time to live. Too early if you try to live, then you will see growth will not happen, because growth happens at a certain time very easily. Later on, not that it cannot happen, it'll become more difficult because life will engage you in many different ways. So when you're young, when you're studying, this is the time to grow on all levels, physically, mentally, emotionally, energy-wise. You must maximize yourself. Then you try to live. If you try to live too early, you will not become of much substance. If you're not of much substance, the person that you hold relationships with, if they grow well, they will look at you and wonder, why did I get trapped with this one? Yes